Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how to open YouTube on LG Smart TV without remote control. Now pay attention, you have two options. I like these options, but pay attention. The first option and the most easier is use something like that. This is one app in your iPhone or your Android. You can find with different names, but you can write a Smart TV LG remote control. Okay, you can find in Play Store or App Store. You have many options. Now wait, this is loading. Doesn't matter. Okay, you have different options, but this is just like this. Okay, it's the same. You can find apps, different apps. Sorry for my camera. Okay, not is the best with macro lens. And you can find different apps. Now, what is the other option if you don't want use this? Okay, in your mobile. Okay, open your app, open YouTube. Now find your video. Example, let me show example this touch here, and can you see this button here is like a mini TV. Touch here and select. Okay, that allow permis, and then select your TV. Can you see different TV? Select your TV and put in your TV. Example like this. Can you see? Now I put with my mobile. I put YouTube in my TV without remote control. This is all. It's too easy. Sorry for my bad English. I know that is awful, but I just want try to get more experience with me speaking. Now it's loading, but in this moment, okay, is ready. Okay, this is all. Sorry for my bad English. Have a good day and see you later.